Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to show you how you can actually buy the OnePlus Nord 2 for about 27,999 rupees. Yes friends, this is a question which I'm getting from a lot of subscribers asking me to make a video on this OnePlus Nord 2 device. That's what this complete video I'll try to explain, how you can actually get the OnePlus Nord 2 in very low price. So first thing is that this kind of offer can be applicable for the 8GB RAM variant, because obviously the 12GB RAM variant will be having very much high cost. The 12GB RAM variant has got one advantage, which is having the 1000 rupees coupon is available for the 12GB RAM variant. I'm not sure why they're not giving for the 8GB RAM variant, because they can actually do one thing. They can give the 1000 coupon for the OnePlus Nord 2 and at least 2000 coupon for the OnePlus Nord 2 12GB. That should be kind of really great deal. But at this moment, unfortunately, we don't have any kind of coupons available for the OnePlus Nord 2 8GB RAM variant. So now, if there is no coupons, you need to have the HDFC Bank only. Only then you will be able to get this kind of discount. So maximum discount up to 2000 rupees off you can get on the OnePlus Nord 2. Right now, if you try to go to this bank offers, I'll try to explain you clearly, friends. So first, try to check what type of your card is. So is it a credit card or debit card? So if it is a credit card, there are separate rules available, and if it's a debit card, there are different rules. So if you are having the debit card, it's very simple and straightforward. So if you don't want to pay any kind of installments, or if you want to do full payment, you'll get only 1000 rupees discount, as you can see, without any kind of EMI transactions. But if you use the debit card and EMI transactions, you can get further 500 rupees off. So total 1500 will be decreased out of the 29,999. Let me try to do the math here. So without EMI, so without any kind of installments, you'll get the price using the debit card. If you want to pay with the EMI, you can actually get the discount up to 28,500 with the debit card only. And now let's move to the credit card thing. What is happening with the credit card, everything? So first thing is that, so you can take a look at on the top one, which is 1,750 is discounted on the HDFC credit card EMI transactions, and 1500 only on credit card non-EMI transactions, 1500. So you will get the 10% discount up to 1,500 plus additional 500 instant discount on HDFC credit card on minimum payment of 24,000. So obviously the OnePlus Nord 2 is about 24,000. So you'll be satisfying even this condition. So overall, you can actually expect 1500 from without EMI discount, minus again 500 from the instant discount. So overall, you will get the 2000 discount, and the final price will come down to 27,999 if you have the HDFC credit card only. And if you want to pay with the EMI transactions in installments, then you can actually get further more 250 rupees discount as well, which will bring the price a little bit more down. 1750 discount you'll get. This is a quick update on the OnePlus Nord 2, friends, regarding the price details and how you can actually buy it for about 27,999. If you, only one thing is that you do require credit card only in this offer sale in the Amazon website to get most of the advantage. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, keep watching the playlists which are created for the Amazon and the Flipkart Big Billion Day sales. You'll get a clear idea what is going on with the offers and discount sales. Thank you for watching. Signing off, friends. Bye.